just got back from Dubai, and sis, let me tell you, this was the best brunch I've ever experienced in my life. Now, when you hear Atlantis the Palm, you already know what type of vibe to expect. Now, we were expecting five-star luxury, breathtaking views, and calm and a classy brunch with cute little outfits, right? We thought it was going to be one of those elegant, sip your mimosas, take a few pictures, and leave later. That kind of vibe, that kind of experience. And honestly, that's kind of how it started, right? It was endless buffet selections, girl. We were talking from every cuisine you can even imagine. It was seafood, it was sushi, it was desserts. It was just desserts that are too pretty to eat. The champagne was flowing, and chill live DJ was kind of setting the mood. And we even had reserved seats right next to the DJ, girl, all 15 of us. It was giving luxury. It was giving just all the right brunch vibes, right? But then the DJ switched, the beat dropped, and baby, that's where everything changed. Suddenly, it was hit after hit after hit, girl. And from the 90s at that, one song was better than the next song. The next thing you know, we dancing to boots on the ground at our tables. Then we're in the aisle being recorded by complete strangers. We didn't even have a care in the world. And baby, out of nowhere, Saffron's own dancers, like where they came from, came out dancing on tables and the aisles just everywhere. We felt like we set them off, but apparently that's what they do every Saturday. But we kicked it off, y'all. The music was so on point. We were singing in the spoons, girl, screaming lyrics, dancing with complete strangers, and completely just living our best lives in that moment. It didn't matter where you were from, right? What country you were from or what you look like. Like people of all races, of all cultures, we were just vibing together. The whole room felt like one big celebration. It was such a good vibe, such a great way to celebrate your birthday. It was so much fun, baby. A time was had. Saffron Brunch at Atlantis is a must do experience when you are in Dubai, boo. It is an experience like you'll never forget. Right? So if you're ever in Dubai, make sure you hit up Saffron Brunch because this is where luxury meets 90s club music, girl, and will leave you with memories for life. So go on ahead and hit that like button if you love five-star travel and luxury vibes. Subscribe to our channel here and drop a comment if you're interested in our next five-star luxury trip adventure because Dubai was just the beginning, boo.